covered in snow. This thing turned on and it dumped all the snow on me. Oh, goodness gracious.
The guy took me about an hour to get the schematic for this unit. The guy was real cool. It's a Hartzell. Anyways, long story short, control transformer's not engaging. It gets power from number 5 on this fire eye. Number 5 sends power. Once the pilot is lit, the UV light, the UV sensor will send a signal back, sending out power to number 5. 5 engages the control transformer. The control transformer engages 28. 28 is what starts your whole sequence with the gas side, with all your valves and everything like that, as far as the main and the modulation with the amplifier. So I'm going to go in there, I'm going to try to wipe off the UV light. He said, you know, pretty much do your due diligence on it, do your clean on it, see if you can get it cleaned up. If not, replace the UV sensor. So I did call technical support on this one just to verify it. It's always a good thing to do. So, yeah, going to get that thing cleaned out right now, and if not, then hopefully we'll just get the sensor replaced. So, later. Baby, there she is. See, my wiring is a little janky on this thing too. Sensor sent power out on 528. Everything came on and worked well. So, yeah, if the UV sensor wouldn't have cleaned very well, then I would have had to replace it, and that would have been most likely our issue. So, got no heat now. We'll see what we can get into. Later. Maintenance guy said there's no spark. So first thing I'm going to do is I always cut this wire. Get a new connection. Oh goodness, I'm just beating myself up. I fell on the roof earlier. It's freaking terrible. So I just take it. Just get yourself. Just know that I tried to pick up that garbage. It's buried in the snow somewhere. Know that I tried. Alright, so I see a bee in there. See him? Huh. Where is he? Okay. Huh. What you doing in there? He's just hanging out, chilling. Alright, let me push this on, see what we got. Found this wire nut, popped right off, so that was cool. Got that done. Easy. Alright, another thing I found was the ground wasn't hooked up, so go ahead and hook our ground up.
We'll see if we can get her fired up. What's this guy on? He's on our flame sensor. You got a B for the flame sensor. Make sure you get a B on your flame sensor. It's the only way. If you don't have a B on your flame sensor wire, you're probably not sensing flame the right way. I'm just saying. You know. Look at that snow. Holds my panel up. Nice. Let's see what happens. Anything? Alright, let me troubleshoot it, I'll be back. Spark board, that's kind of what he was saying, but what I found was, hold on, let me get my meter. In here, from here to ground, nothing. And from, hold on, let me get my hand in there, it's kind of tight. One second. We go from here. I can't get my meter in there to read it. I can't do it on camera, but that switch is open. But not there. Ignition module done. I just got it all put in. Just kind of tidied up just a little bit, but I did my ground screw right there. You can do it to the gas valve, but the pin was kind of janky. So, yeah. So let's fire it up. First time. Let's see. All right. See if we get any spark. That's a good sign. That's a good sign. Now we just gotta wait for the time delay relay to make. Jeez, I'm gonna grab my drill. Just so I can get an ammeter on that motor too. Got my meter. We can get our supply temp. Good snowball fight. Good snowball fighting snow. Look at that. Whew. Yeah, we're gonna get some new screws put in there too. I got a whole bag of new screws that we're gonna get hooked up there. Get rid of those old things. I can't stand old screws like that. You know? Let's get an amp draw. Decided to clip this on here. Use this. And I'm gonna 5 amps. Indoor rated for 2.2, so that's good. Let's check our supply. And I saw it go up to about 120 and drop back down, so I'm just going to let it go for a little bit longer. We'll just watch it, but that's pretty much it for this one. So make sure you always have a good ground on these. Always make sure you have a good ground. Make sure you tape up your wire nuts. I put 4 screws back in. They only had 1 in there, so you know, just do everything you can to clean it up and do a good job.
So, alright guys, that's it for me. So, like, subscribe, and we'll see you here maybe tomorrow. Who knows what we're going to get into. So, there's going to be some snow here in the forecast in the Midwest this upcoming week. So, everyone stay safe. Try not to slip on the roofs and fall and eat shit like I did twice today. So, no one got to see it. That sucks. You know what I mean? Maybe I should keep my camera on me all the time while I walk around the roofs. I'm usually pretty nimble. However, today had my day because I fell twice. Anyways, units on and running. I'm happy. Let's check our supply one more time. 124. All right. So that's it. We got to button her up. I got some new screws. Got all my garbage. And that's about it. So, like, subscribe. See you later. And there's Wasp in the middle of the winter. Look at that. He's flying around in the middle of the winter. He don't know what the fuck to do. Oh my goodness. Anyways. Oh, little buddy. Love the snow? You gonna love the snow? He's a good boy. Oh, be nice. You be nice. What you do? Come here. Oh, you're such a cutie. You're such a cutie. Yeah. So let's go inside and let's make a video. So let's go make a video. Come on. Let's go. Let's make a video.